Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find out the trigonometrical ratios of certain standard angles. So before that we should know what are the trigonometrical ratios. Now for that we draw a right angle triangle and this is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree we know that side is known as the hypotenuse, and the angle of which the trigonometrical ratios we will find out. Opposite to that angle the side is known as the perpendicular, or you can say opposite, and the third side is known as the base. So this way we name the three sides of the right angle triangle. And suppose now we have to find out, the first one is sine theta. Now the short form is sin theta, but its usual name is sine, sine theta. Now sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. The next one is cosine theta. Now cosine theta, we in the short write it as cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Next one is tangent of theta. Tangent of theta again is written as tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Each of this trigonometrical ratios has its reciprocal. For example, for sine theta, its reciprocal is known as cosecant. Cosecant, which is the short form is cosec. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta, which is written as hypotenuse by perpendicular. Next, the reciprocal of cos theta is known as secant of theta, whose short form is sec theta. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Now this is the reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos theta. And the reciprocal of tan theta is known as cotangent of theta, which is written as cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta, which is equal to your base by perpendicular. So this is the trigonometrical ratios. Now for each of these ratios we have few standard angles. What are the standard angles? One is 0 degree, one is 30 degree, one is 45 degree, one is 60 degree, and the next one is 90 degree. So we have to learn up the values of these angles, but the easy way is, first what will you do? You draw this chart, and then here at the top you write first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what you do, you divide each of them by 4, and then you take out the square root of each. Now 0 by 4 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is half. Square root of 2 by 4 is 1 by root 2. Square root of root over 3 by 4 is your root 3 by 2, and this is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. Now after writing down these values, from here it becomes easy for you to find out the value of each of these trigonometrical ratios. The first one comes sine. Now sine 0 degree, whatever you have these values, these are for sine 0, you will write down this 0. Sine 30 is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is your root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Now for cos, you will go in the reverse order. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is your root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is half, and cos 90 is 0. So only in the reverse order you have to write down these values. And for tan is actually sin theta by cos theta is your tan theta. So here also, to find out tan 0, what will you do? You will divide sin 0 by cos 0. So 0 by 1 is 0. Now for tan 30, you will do sin 30 by cos 30, that is half by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Sorry, 1 by root 3. Cos tan 45 is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1. Tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60, that is your root 3. And tan 90 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is either you can write infinity or not defined, or you can say infinity. Now the reciprocal of sine we know cosec. So now we can find out the cosec from this table. Only we will do the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 0 is actually 1 by sine 0. So 1 by 0, that is not defined. So whenever 0 goes in the denominator, it is actually infinity, which we say not defined. And what will be then cosec 30? Cosec 30 will be then your 2. Cosec 45 will be your root 2. Cosec 60 will be your 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is 1 by 1, that we write it as 1. Now the next one is the reciprocal of cos, that is sec. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. So whatever you have the value of cos, here you will write its reciprocal. So sec 0 is 1 by 1. Sec 30 will be your 2 by root 3. Sec 45 will be your root 2. Sec 60 will be 2 by 1, that is 2. And sec 90 will be 1 by 0, which is not defined. Now tan, the reciprocal of tan is cot. So you will do the reciprocal of this table. So cot 0 is 1 by 0, which is again not defined. Cot 30 will be the reciprocal of tan 30, which is root 3. Cot 45 is 1 by 1, that is 1. Cot 60 will be your 1 by root 3. And cot 90 is 1 by infinity, which we say 0. So this is how we can easily remember the table of the standard angles of the trigonometrical ratios. So if you have any queries, you can type me in my comment box, and the next day I will show you how to put these values and find out the given expressions. Thank you.